Hello guys, welcome back to another In Bed VR video. Sorry I was late, I was in California and stuff. I will post every weekend, well, sometimes on the weekend. I'm gonna try to post weekly since I have school and stuff. That's a way better idea. Where in the world is that? Oh wait, he's here. Hey! Wait, Miles, Buddha, you have a mic?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Your mic's set. How do you got freaking pencil as a cowboy hat?
I think they removed it, but like I think it's on the meme makers and then numbers. So there's something new. No. Do you like my kicks?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you my drip kicks. One sec. I want to show you my kicks.
Well, you know what? In this video, I'm doing a full.
Chad, do you like my 1-2
review.
buckle my shoe?
My name is Neil. Okay, there. You know my face and my name. There.
Bro, do you like
know
my
almost
1-2
all of
buckle my shoe?
identity.
Bro, do you like my 1-2 buckle my shoe?
We got the brand new 1-2. Busted up shoe 3, 4. Other ones busted 2, 5, 6. What are them kicks?
Alright, let's go. Wait. There, for you.
For me? Yeah, I have to do this one-handed because my battery just died while creating this video. Wait, what does that say? What does that say? What does it say? You should probably do that right now. It's right underneath this video. Thank you, me.
Wait, what? Do I see something?
Yeah, look, see? Yeah, look at that. You should probably do that. It's right underneath.
Yeah.
It helps me out a ton. It helps me make
better
videos.
Yeah.
My goal is to get... I don't know what my goal is. I'm gonna think of a goal. So yeah, make sure you do that. Or else. Okay, bye. That did nothing.
That's random. Okay, now look, that's...
Oh, good.
Now
okay,
let's
now
look at
delete
the next
the entire
room over here.
King Kong must climb tallest building. Must climb tallest building.
Oh, that's easy.
For you to say.
Boom.
How about you try it one-handed? Without the gun. Parkour, question mark? Parkour.
Yeah, you know, try to get to like that helipad.
What helicopter pad?
This.
Right there? Okay, easy.
And then I leap. Oh, yeah, I don't know. It's pretty hard.
Okay. Doink, doink. Grab onto the
Helipad,
door.
then make a leap of faith.
Not that hard. Not that hard as in not that much pressure. Yep. Bing bong, ping pong.
The tallest point.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to bounce.
Yo, there's homes and everything. This is crazy.
Yeah, guys, guess what? I finally got a 3D printer, chat. Oh man, I was gonna do something cool.
Yeah. Should we just like check out like the next room?
Not unless I get on top of this. Okay, we can check out the other room.
Over here.
Wait, I can actually make a video with this. Wait. After this, we should record another video. I have a perfect video idea.
Bet.
Okay.
Alright, next one. Is this a maze?
What's a maze? This is a maze? Whoa, wait, where's this thing? Whoa, wait. Oh, this is supposed to...
Is this? It's like a gaming thing. Yo, is that? Ain't no way, bro. That's crazy.
Okay.
Yo, look at the computer.
Dude, I could actually edit this into
It's
like a sick
watching
movie.
something.
No! Wait, here. Editor, fix it. Yeah.
Like a studio. Dirty one. Now I'm on next room. Over here.
So we're entirely skipping 5.
No, we need to save that one for last.
Oh,
That was really cool. Whoa. I want to live here now.
purely live representation of my room. I don't know why the doors be tweaking.
This is fire. Dang, bro. Alright. Next one. It's time for the stage 5. In my opinion, a good thing. A box! That's really it. Just a box.
What is the other update? The thing that you were telling me about, and I said, hey, let's talk about it. That thing. Yeah, that. You know the thing? The Roblox thing? No, I don't. Sigma. I'm about to teleport on a map.
Hey, what's this? Oh wait, you need to take off something.
Yo, pencil built like that.
No, just taking off my shoes.
Bro.
And I'm pretty sure they revamped I'm pretty sure they revamped Boris. Yeah, they revamped it. So we need to get our flashlights. My small one.
Remember like the Roblox thing? Roblox and Animal Company thing. The entire reason why are you taking us there?
Yes.
Okay. Yep, I gave you a
I'll
big
try. All right, let's go to the forest. Yo, this is cool. That's cool.
Yo, bro, where you went?
Are you seeing that?
Where you at?
No, I'm at the forest.
Oh.
And now, just
Okay, I teleported in. Teleport in.
see?
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
We have to be near each other.
Now,
for
if
the
you
viewers to
go down here, look.
No,
wait, I need to show you something.
my portal. Wait, Buddha. I know we're in the same room, but the viewers can't hear us. Hi there,
Wait,
Pencil.
I need to show you something. Come here.
What?
Now there's wooden logs. Now look, there's a campfire.
Cool. Well, guess what?
But I need to
Why?
also show you like this monster. It's really, really big.
How do you know how much fuel is in it?
I don't know. I'll bring like a log there.
Heave. Hoo, heave, hoo, heave. It's like nowhere is safe.
Basically, yeah. Bro, just imagine like all of our friends like hop on just to like do like, this thing.
Oh yes. Perfect physics.
What was that beep sound?
Me trying to cook in the fire.
Anyways, I'm back up. By the way, they added back the office.
Okay. Here, you want? I'm gonna explore something real quick. Never mind, I ain't. I have died. Dude, you at the office? Ooh, is office way easier or way harder or way what? Tung, 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 tung. Okay, I'm gonna stop with the brain rot. Well, bro, where are you at?
I'm somehow at Planetarium, bro. Somehow.
How'd you get the planetarium? PLVU, it's easy. Break the laws of physics. Wait, this used to be the old route. So now if we go up there somehow, then we aren't cooked. We can go back to the original map. Nice. I'm currently at the office. Where are you? Yes, where do you think I am? Dude, grab a bat and come with me. Or grab something. Wait, can I pass through this door? No, I cannot pass. You're here?
I'm here. Yeah.
Hi, where do we go?
No, they removed the elevator.
So
Dude,
now
I'm
you go up
kinda
here?
scared, bro.
Wait, so now that you go up
I'm
here?
scared. I might leave. Cause my audio is. Oh, hey, look. Broski, I might leave, bro. You can do all this part by your own. Here, take that.
Bow, bow, wow.
Goodbye.
Bow, wow. What? What?
Goodbye.
Bow, wow. Okay, I heard him take it off. So now I'm gonna sprint. GoPro jammed. I can see you. Why are you tweaking? Just because you can't see me, I can see you. Tweaking. How are you stuck inside the wall? Okay, dude, why you be tweaking here? Okay. Well, guess that was everything to the update. You already know what the office looks like. Why are you still tweaking? So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, cause that guy's Why are you tweaking? What you doing, fool? Stop. Get. So you already know. I'm trying to do the outro. So you already know what the office looks like. Would you stop? So you already know what the office looks like and stuff. Okay, thank you, nerd. So you already know what it looks like and stuff, so I'm just gonna end the video here. Hopefully Mr. Yelly Pants doesn't interrupt me in my intros ever again. Here, wait. Here, you want to interrupt me in my intros, fool? Why interrupt me in my intros, fool? Why interrupt me in my intros, fool? Hey, why interrupt me in my intros? My outros, I mean. You guys are darn annoying that I can't. Jeez. Jump screen. How dare you interrupt me in my outros, fool? Get tongue. There we go. That'll teach you. Ooh, what's in her crate? Grenade ammo! So that means I can end this video with a bang! So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more notifications. Because I post weekendly. And I went out with a bang. I'm gonna try to make a animation where that's my intro. So I'm gonna make that at the end. So here we go. Here's the intro for the outro. Bye.